It's a bad man thing, I hear. Oh Lord of His mercy. Hey, He's bad.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna be doing an unboxing of, I hope I pronounced the word right, Daebak box. So it's a Korean box, and it's a quarterly subscription box where you pay $49.99 and you get, I believe it's 8 to 9 products, Korean products. Is from containing like skincare, stationery, K-drama, K-pop. I love K-drama and K-pop. If you have any good K-drama suggestion, leave it in the box because I need to catch up. But yeah, ooh, this is like the booklet. So I guess the meaning of Daebak is like Daebak box. It's like happiness, like awesome. It's like something that brings you excitement. So I had to like YouTube the word to see how you pronounce it because I didn't want to mess it up. And I'm pretty sure I'm still messing it up, but oh, they have it right in here. So Daebak. It says an expression to praise something that is big, positive, and awesome. Ooh, so the first thing is Easter loves you, and it's a tumbler. It's an ice tumbler. Oh, look at that! Look at that! That is so cute. My dog is looking at me like, oh, oh my gosh, do you see that? That is so pretty. Oh my gosh, I love it. And it has the little, oh, oh, oh my gosh. I'm like already freaking excited. Oh, I'm gonna take that to work like today. So the next item is a socks appeal. So and all these things are like, they're like sent from Korea, so it's like getting a little bit of Korea. Oh, that is so cute. Look at that. It has like a different emoji on each side. I love it. I love it. And the next thing is Glow On. It's a mist moisture glow from E2 House. I'm pronouncing that wrong. I'm sorry. But oh, no freaking way. Look at that. Like, isn't that freaking cute? Oh my gosh. Oh man. Like, I'm gonna die from excitement. And the next item is LoMe. It's a LoMe Magic Spell Blusher. Ooh, it's got a makeup stuff. Oop, I am like so eager that I'm opening it all wrong. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh my gosh, the packaging is just everything. Oh. That is so cute. LoMe blusher. It's a blush. That is cute. It's Easter Bunny 10 memo case. That is what it looks like. Like, this is freaking awesome. I am loving everything. Oh, like you open it and it has like little notepads and you can, I'm in love. And the next item is a cable protector for iPhone. Yes, I have an iPhone. So that is awesome. I can protect my cable from my dog because he don't chew on everything. So one thing I haven't, hold on. Oh, Jeju aloe ice. So it contains aloe extract from Jeju. I guess it's like an island in Korea, South Korea. Jeju aloe refreshing smoothie gel. That's a big size. Like, that is 10 ounces. Whew. I'm like a kid on Christmas Day. Like, Korea is on my bucket list. Like, I have to go to South Korea before I die. Oh, yeah. Let me see. I got a little bit. I'm rubbing on my hand. So yeah, my hand feels moisturized. Oh, what is that? What is that? I have no idea what that is. Is that a tote? I think it's a little tote. How do you open it? Okay. Oh yeah, it's a little tote. That's cute. Oh, and it got a pocket inside, so that's awesome. Oh, most of the writings are in Korean, so okay, but yeah, that is cute. Look at that. That is cute. I love it. And last but not least, it is a Ryan smoothie jelly mask. That's pretty cool. Oh, it's an essence. That's pretty nice. I'm gonna use this tonight when I get off work. So let me see how many stuff I got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I got 9 items. Let me see if it like shows you how much the prices are for these things. So it gives you tips and stuff how to use the items, almost like any other subscription box. So from what I'm looking, like, it doesn't tell you how much the price are, so you don't know if you're getting your money's worth. I guess it would be hard since this stuff sort of, like, the items are coming straight from Korea, so I don't know. But yeah, these are, yeah, you get 9 products. These are all the stuff in here, and my phone is going off. So for my first box from Daebak, I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong, but you know what? I like it. I like the things that were in there. It was exciting. I love it. But this is a really big size. But yeah, so guys, what do you think about the box? Did you like the contents in it? I love them. We'll see. Like the only downside that I have for it is like it didn't have prices and stuff. So we'll see what comes in the winter box. Alright guys, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.
It's a bad man.